So very good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 12 from 7th class. The topic is vertically opposite angles, which is from exercise 4.6. Let's go for the first question. Answer the following questions. The first question is given relevant figure. For that, what we have to do in the above figure, name each pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So what is the definition of vertically opposite angles are what? Two angles can be say why? Because it is, I can say that what angle 1 as well as angle 3 are both are vertically opposite angles, because those two are opposite to each other, right. So likewise we have to list out how many pair of vertically opposite angles are there. So just go for the solution. Yes. So from this figure I can take 1 comma 3, that is angle 1 and angle 3. So these two are one pair of vertically opposite angles. Next, angle 2 as well as angle 4, angle 2 as well as angle 4. So these two are the vertically opposite angles, so which are vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So likewise we have to list out. What is the next one? So here it is angle 5 and angle 7, angle 5 and angle 7. Yes. Yes. Angle 5, angle 7. So next, angle 6 and angle 8. Angle 6 and angle 8. Next, we will go for at this point angle 9 and 11. Angle 9 and angle 11. So next, 10 as well as 12. Angle 10 and angle 12. So these are the 6 vertical opposite angles. Okay. So let's go for the next question. Yes, this is second question. So from the above figure, find the value of x, y, z. So this is relevant to vertically opposite angles. So from this I can say that, yes. So angle x as well as angle z both are vertically opposite angles, and y as well as angle 25 degrees both are vertically opposite. So can we equate those two? So always vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So from that I can say that from figure angle, okay, y is equal to 25 degrees, because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, so we have obtained what is the value of y. Y will become 25. So y is equal to 25. Similarly, so what about this one? So what about these two? So if you take 25 degrees and z degrees, the sum of it forms one linear pair. It forms one linear pair. Means sum of these two angles must be 180 degrees. That is z plus 25 is equal to. Yes, yes, z plus 25 degrees is equal to exactly 180 degrees, exactly 180 degrees. From this, what is the value of z? It will become 180 minus 25, 180 minus 25. So what will be the value of z? Z is equal to how much it is? So 155 degrees, 155 degrees. So we have completed angle y as well as angle z. So how can you find angle x, y is completed, z is completed. How can you find angle x? So from this, x as well as z both are vertically opposite angles. So that angle x comma angle z both are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So that those two are equal. So I can say that what? Yes, x degrees is equal to z degrees. So what is z? Z is 155 degrees. That is 155 degrees. So likewise we can find the value of x, y, z. So let's go for the next one. Yes, this is third question. So in the given figure, what will be the value of y? So from this figure, if you take, so y, angle y and angle 35 degrees. and 35 degrees. So both are yes, if you take yes, here y as well as 35 degrees both are vertically opposite angles, so that we can equate y is equal to 35 degrees. So y is equal to yes, y is equal to 35 degrees. So which option this is? Option B is the right option. Option B is right option. Let's go for the next one. So in the given figure, what will be the value of x? So here x as well as 135 degrees both are vertically opposite angles, and 45 as well as z both are vertically opposite angles. So from these, here x and y both are vertically opposite angles, so that I can equate x is equal to 135 degrees. X is equal to 135 degrees, because the reason is what? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So that which option is right option? Option A, 135 degrees is the right option. So these are the assignment question. Thank you, children.